Who will win the race? The Ford F-150 with the 5 wheels versus the Jeep Wrangler from 18 trillion years ago versus the slow car. Anyways, let's begin the drag race in 3, 2, 1, go! And honestly, I have no clue who won.
We got restart.
That was so lucky.
Did you get that video?
I believe so. All right, same race. The Jeep Wrangler, Ford F-150, and the Traxxas, who was just left early.
No, I'm going back.
This is dash cam, so let's see who wins.
Oh, give me a second.
Race in 3, 2, 1, go! Bro, we got the pine cone in the tire.
How is it gonna be rainy tomorrow, bro?
Come join us. I'm stable. I'm accelerate now.
Or you.
I get. Bro, how's your mouth? Is your throat fine?
Oh, no.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, what am I doing?
Footage. What's that? A little jiggle? Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh! That sounded nasty, actually. Oh, look at the rear tire. The poor tires. Is this a normal sound?
The wheels sound normal.
Yeah, the servos are perfectly fine.
It might be because all the rocks, you know.
Alright. Oh! It does that, I'll tell you that. Don't worry, you can literally never get it perfect. Yo, are you pressing me? He's pressing me. Oh! Look at that ditch of the wheel again. Oh, his battery is so low. That's his top speed right now. Oh, the Wrangler is cooked. Can he drive back home? Keep accelerating, you can do it.
Here, I'm helping now. Oh, that's higher. That's higher.
But that's the worst we've seen it. How are you still functioning? No! Alright, it's this car's bedtime.